The Cubot KingKong X is definitely one of the best feature-packed 5G rugged phones of 2024, and this device is also very cheap. It's also one of the cheapest 5G rugged phones of 2024. Currently, its price on AliExpress is about $197, guys. $197 for the Cubot KingKong X, a rugged device with 5G support, a rear display, and many other decent specifications and features. If you're interested in the device, I'll put a link in the video description. Anyway, as regarding the top specs of the KingKong X, well, they are not bad. It is powered by the Dimensity 7050. It features a triple rear camera setup with a 100MP main sensor, while its front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone also has 16GB RAM, and it has two storage configurations, including a 256GB and a 512GB internal storage. The device also features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Now, as opposed to the KingKong S3 that has a small battery capacity, this device, the KingKong X, pack a massive 10,200 mAh battery, but it supports the same 33 watts fast charging, and it boots the Android 14 OS. Other features include Wi-Fi 6, 5G support, Bluetooth 5.2, OTG, NFC support. Like I mentioned earlier, the phone has a rear display. It is IP68 and IP69K compliant. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. This means that the KingKong X is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and can survive different environmental conditions. That's why it's called a rugged device. Now, the 100MP main camera can shoot up to 4K videos, which is impressive. Now, these are just some of the top specs and features of the Cubot KingKong X. So what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.